my nuggets. No more nuggets. You're having soup at home.
Give me my nuggets.
No more nuggets.
Hey, what the fridge was going on?
You're having soup at home.
My mom wasn't gave me the nuggets. What about chicken nuggets? What the? Still too grovel freaking whooping. Fine, I'm telling Bobby. Bobby! Are you little? Ouch! What was that for? I mean, what the hell is that for? That's because you took Lucas Chicken's nuggets. Finish him.